we are talking here about negative space. That is referring to pictures. Okay? So, today, we're gonna make a play that applies negative sketching. Okay, so to define, okay, the negative space in most of generic understanding would be the backgrounds and the positive are the objects. Mana. No? If you do negative rendering, especially in watercolor, the principle is to start first with the background and then build up the object by clarifying the edges and the backgrounds. So, in pencil or white pencil or white ink dealing with black canvas, yes. Simply trying to imagine that the surface or the scene is black and imagine yourself the objects being lighted. What will be seen by the light are the highlights that define the subject. It doesn't mean that you are given an object and then you have to render all in white. No? So you still have to apply the reverse method of drawing only what is seen in the subject hidden in the dark being lighted. Do you follow? Dili kinalang i-define. You make the definition of the object by allowing the surfaces that is hit by light only. Okay, let me make an example. Okay. So, for example, this is the outline of the subject that you're going to portray. And then you have to analyze and you have to decide where your light is being sourced out. It can be at the left side, can be at the right side, from that. So, your choice, because I'm not giving you any restriction to asa light source. Okay? So, let us just say that remember how the green ones, the green surface is the black. Okay? So, I will assume that my light is coming from here. So basically, from the dark, when this subject being lit up, I will imagine that the light strikes here. So, kani ma-reveal siya na part sa object. So basically, I will draw focusing on this side. And then, of course, since the model is a bottle, perhaps I may skip some part na akong erase. Because of the shield. Do you understand? Bottle man siya na object. Okay? So, mas straight off siya and then this becomes black. And then, how about this side? We don't have to really review this totally. You can apply on sorry, skipping of lines, not just to define, and then because of that light coming from here, you will also have a little bit of shadow transition. That is fading. So kind of a minimalist style because you are rendering in the dark. Dili iyan dito na limo ka na. Do you follow? So you need to imagine really that the most important here is imagining the light source, which is vital in a successful rendering. No? And this is only one subject. So what if I have another subject here? So then the scenario will change. Okay, so mawagtang siya, and then perhaps this can be super defined differently na siya. Focusing on the background, the negative surface. Okay? Do you understand? Mana yung challenge karon. So what I want to see is not really the traditional way of rendering on the white canvas na imong renderon tanan subject. So imagine only the light passing to an object. That's where you focus your sketching, the use of white pen. So that's it. Now for the subject, you organize basic polygons, your choice of polygons. Ayaw na pag-kuan sa pag-exhibition. No exhibition this time. Kaya kuan pa man siya, test render, smart study render. Don't worry. For those who are really aiming for a grandeur of night scene rendering, you will be given still a chance. Kaya tagaan ta mo play nga night scene sa structure. Karon, as a start up, organize, meaning you arrange on a still life form or imagine on a still life form polygons. Triangle, rectangle, square, pyramid, cylinder, at least 3 lang. Just like our midterm exam, di ba? But basic polygon lang inyo ang i-try o render using black. Here, you can combine your pencil and ink. Pwede combination. Basta white ragyod ang gawa sa surface. Is it understood? Amoy pangutana? Caution! Don't be too exaggerated ha. Basta ang focus on the light passing an object more na renderon. That's the essence of negative rendering. Imagine na lang yun. So why mo good mo o picture nga ngit-ngit niya. Picture ninyo ang katurang mo reveal. No? So the scene can be muted in a way like hindi siya sobrang it depends also with the light imagination on your part. If this part here is really subjected directly with light, then this become the highlight, and then going down on muted here. No? There is a drama of playing the dark and light ani. No, dili ni siya yun pasigahay sa subject. Actually, the muted effect being the subject is in the dark background and the dark scene makes this an interesting task. Okay? So the size, same, 12 by 18 with the required standard title block. And then all white. Ang title block, a white ink lang, kanan. Still freehand gihapon. And then your subject. Kung may magbuot. Orientation, you can do it landscape or portrait. Okay? Sabtan ra? Sige, padayon.